guys, I have a big announcement for you. I am going to start collecting fidgets. Woohoo! Yeah. So yeah, and yeah, because it's a very big thing for me. Because my whole life I really want to collect fidgets. My whole life, and I already have a poppet. If you want to know if I have a poppet, go look on my poppet video, and you will see that I have a poppet, which I do. And yeah, so like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and comment down below what's your favorite fidget that you have. Bye. That was it. Bye.